Barb Berge here, broadcasting live from our satellite studio, our Christmas Wish office. We're celebrating the 40th year, and we've been open not even quite a week. And what we found is we have a need, a very big need. And if you look behind me, it's quite obvious what the need is. We need donations for teen boys and teen girls. We have a lot of gaping holes, guys. I think it's because a lot of people don't know what to get. It's a little bit tough. I haven't been a teenager in a long time, so I'm not going to claim to know exactly what the needs are, but I've been reading a lot of the letters. And what they're asking for a lot of basic things like makeup, board games, blankets, jewelry, kind of what you would think. I mean, I perfume, electronics for sure. I mean, especially the boys. You can never go wrong with country music CDs. Blake Shelton, Luke Bryan. Can't go wrong with CDs. But it's what you would think is going to be probably where, definitely these gift sets. They love that. Their favorite brands are like Axe. They love the Axe gift sets. So, and Gillette, you never can go wrong with especially the gift sets that have the razors in it, because obviously young men are going through, puberty. Just saying. They're going to need the razors, and that is the girls as well. So as you can see, there's lots of a variety of things that you can think of when you're looking for donating for teen boys and teen girls. So if you're out shopping at Big Lots, where you can stretch your dollars, or even Meijer, because Meijer has great discounts as well. When you're out shopping, think of teen boys, think of teen girls, and think of helping those less fortunate in the tri-state and helping Christmas Wish. We would love to see you here at the Town Square Mall at our Christmas Wish office. We are open 9 to 5, and we'd love to have you right here with the Country Station.